All right, we have the HS8S Yamaha Subwoofer right here. This is my personal subwoofer I use in my studio, and I recently blew out the voice coil in the subwoofer, so we're going to replace that speaker. It's a good idea to lay down like a towel or a mat if you have it. That way you'll protect the surface of the speaker. Once the unit's in place and upside down, you'll notice 6 screws on the top side. That's going to be removable with a number 3 Allen wrench. Unscrew those, and that will let you remove the top of the speaker grill. You're going to grab that, remove it, and put it to the side. We won't need it for right now. Grab your Phillips head screwdriver and remove these 6 screws holding the speaker in place. Once you've removed all 6 screws, you're going to want to lift the speaker to one side and rest it in between the feet. Now you can use a flathead screwdriver to help lift the speaker, but don't pull the speaker directly out as there's 2 wires still connected. To remove these wires, grab them by the metal post and pull towards you in a straight motion. If needed, rest the speaker in between the 2 feet. The right connection was giving me a little trouble, so I gave it a little wiggle, and that seemed to help loosen the metal connections. Once I got both connectors off, I put the speaker to the side, and then I got ready to get the new speaker for replacement. Real quick, while we have this opportunity, let's take a look inside of this subwoofer box. So we have this ported tube right here, and this is what allows the subwoofer to let the air out. And it's front ported on this Yamaha subwoofer. Then we have this black box back here, which is actually holding all the amp and input and outputs and controls for high pass and low pass. Then we have this white acoustic material, and that pretty much sums up this box. Okay, now when you're ready to order your Yamaha replacement subwoofer, make sure you're using this number YF170A00. But on the subwoofer, you'll notice that it's missing one of these zeros. It's still the same piece, it's still the same speaker, still the same unit, same model. Just make sure you're getting one for the HS8S. One of the good features that they did when shipping was this plastic piece that protects the speaker in transit. I used it to my advantage to rest it in between the feet while connecting these speakers back. There's going to be a skinny one and a fat one. That's the quickest way. The left side is the negative and the right side is the positive. So hook up the black wire to the left side just by sliding straight in. Same thing with the right. And once you have those in place, it's connected and ready to go. This is a good time to remove that great plastic cover that they sent. It was great for the purpose, but now we need it out the way. Once you get this piece of plastic removed, take note of the pre-existing holes on the speaker box and the pre-drilled holes on the speaker. Once they're lined up, grab those 6 Phillips head screws and place them in by hand. Once they're all placed, go ahead and tighten them with the screwdriver. Now that all the screws are in place and tightened, we'll grab the speaker grill and make note of the pre-existing holes on the speaker box and on the grill. Make sure to line those up. Grab the Allen head screws and hand tighten them in place. Once complete, tighten them down with your Allen wrench. Congratulations, you've now completed repair on your Yamaha HS8S Subwoofer. We thank you for your valued time here at Sound in the City. Now reconnect your Yamaha subwoofer using the inputs on the back. And make sure to turn up your master level located here on the right side. We appreciate you. Take care.